Good morning, guys. So I'm already working on my the drywall. If you can see, I already installed drywall in the other room. So this one is a second room that I'm gonna be working on right now. So all the electricals were installed. The inspector came and it passed. So everything looks amazing. So that side looks like that. And then I have this wall also here that I have to install drywall on. But let me show you this other side that is completely done. So this side is all installed. The drywall is installed. If you guys remember, the ceiling there I had to cut to be able to build that wall. So this is done. Looks like that. And that side is also done. So that's the progress so far. So this side is good. And just need to complete this side, the outside of that wall. And it's gonna look like that. So I'll keep you guys posted, let you know how things are going, but so far so good. All right, so now outside wall is done. It looks like that. That will be completed when I install this door. That side is done. The inside is all complete. That looks like that. And then this other wall is done also. New drywall. So the only section that I need to put a drywall on is this little section right here. Alright. The interior is so done. And it looks very nice. That side is all done. That side is done. So now the only section left is the little space there. I have drywall for it. So going to finish. So I calculated about 14 drywall, and I think I only got like maybe 1.5 left. That's what's left right there in those little small pieces. So my estimate was pretty good. So all is left. I try to be very conservative on this when I'm cutting, just not wasting it. If I was just like cutting it from not thinking, I probably would have used all of it. But I'm very conservative when I use my drywall. That's why I still have that left. All right. So once it's all this done, I'm gonna be doing the matting. I got the drywall mat right there and other stuff ready. I'm gonna tape it and then I'll come back and mat it probably tomorrow. But everything is coming together pretty good. All right. So if you're thinking about working on yours, this is a good learning experience for you. So if you can just follow me, subscribe, and then you can just follow all this basement remodel you can do your own yourself. If you have any questions, let me know. Subscribe, follow, and keep up with my progress. Appreciate you guys.